Yes, plastic J-boxes can be used for low-voltage wiring in a commercial motel according to the 2020 National Electrical Code. NEC 314.29 A1 states that J-boxes shall be listed and shall be used only with the type and number of conductors they are listed to enclose. NEC 314.29 A3 states that J-boxes enclosing conductors shall have covers installed. NEC 300.22 C states that listed low-voltage non-metallic raceways and fittings shall be permitted for branch circuits supplying low-voltage power. Therefore, as long as the plastic J-boxes are listed for use with the type and number of low-voltage conductors that will be installed in them, and they have covers installed, they can be used in a commercial motel. The National Electrical Code, or NEC, is a comprehensive set of standards that governs electrical installations in the United States. Its primary purpose is to ensure electrical safety, protecting people and property from hazards associated with electricity. The NEC is updated every 3 years, reflecting advancements in technology, materials, and best practices. It is not a law itself, but it is widely adopted by state and local jurisdictions, making it a legal requirement in many areas. The NEC covers a wide range of electrical topics, including wiring methods, overcurrent protection, grounding, equipment installation, and special occupancies. It provides detailed specifications for materials, installation techniques, and safety requirements. Adherence to the NEC is essential for ensuring safe and reliable electrical systems. J-boxes, also known as junction boxes, are enclosures used to protect electrical connections. They provide a safe and organized space for joining wires, protecting them from physical damage and environmental factors. J-boxes are commonly used in residential, commercial, and industrial electrical systems. They come in various shapes, sizes, and materials depending on the application. The NEC specifies requirements for the installation and use of J-boxes, ensuring that they provide adequate protection and meet safety standards. Low-voltage wiring refers to electrical wiring that operates at a relatively low voltage level, typically 50 volts or less. Low-voltage systems are commonly used for applications such as lighting, control circuits, and communication systems. They offer several advantages, including reduced shock hazard and energy efficiency. The NEC provides specific requirements for low-voltage wiring, addressing issues such as conductor size, insulation, and overcurrent protection. These requirements help ensure the safe and reliable operation of low-voltage systems. In commercial buildings, such as motels, electrical systems must meet specific requirements to ensure safety and reliability. The NEC addresses the unique challenges of commercial electrical installations, including high occupancy rates, heavy electrical loads, and the presence of sensitive electronic equipment. Commercial electrical systems often require more robust wiring methods, enhanced overcurrent protection, and sophisticated grounding systems. Compliance with the NEC is essential for ensuring the safety of occupants and preventing electrical hazards in commercial buildings. NEC 314.29 addresses the requirements for the accessibility of J-boxes. This section of the code specifies that J-boxes must be readily accessible without removing any part of the building structure or finish. The purpose of this requirement is to allow for easy inspection, maintenance, and repair of electrical connections. Accessible J-boxes enable electricians to quickly identify and address any issues, minimizing downtime and preventing potential hazards. NEC 314.29 8.1 specifically addresses the listing and use of J-boxes. It states that J-boxes must be listed by a recognized testing laboratory, such as Underwriters Laboratories or Intertek. Listing indicates that the J-box has been tested and certified to meet specific safety standards. NEC 314.29 A1 also requires that J-boxes be used only with the type and number of conductors for which they are listed. This ensures that the J-box has adequate capacity to accommodate the wiring without overcrowding or overheating. NEC 314.29 A3 focuses on the requirement for covers on J-boxes. It states that J-boxes and closing conductors must have covers installed. Covers provide protection against accidental contact with energized conductors, preventing electric shock. They also protect the wiring from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. J-box covers must be securely fastened to the box and made of a material that is suitable for the environment in which the J-box is installed. NEC 300.22 addresses wiring methods in ducts, plenums, and other spaces used for environmental air. This section of the code aims to prevent the spread of fire and smoke through ventilation systems. NEC 300.22 C specifically addresses the use of low-voltage non-metallic raceways and fittings in these spaces. It permits the use of listed low-voltage non-metallic raceways and fittings for branch circuits supplying low-voltage power. This allows for the installation of low-voltage wiring in environmental S spaces, provided that the materials are listed and suitable for the application. Listing refers to the process of a product being evaluated and certified by a recognized testing laboratory. Listed products have been tested to meet specific safety standards and are deemed safe for their intended use. The listing mark on a product indicates that it has been subjected to rigorous testing and meets the requirements of the applicable standards. When selecting electrical equipment, it is essential to choose listed products to ensure safety and compliance with the NEC. Low-voltage non-metallic raceways are enclosed channels designed to protect and route low-voltage wiring. They are typically made of plastic or other non-metallic materials and are available in various sizes and shapes. Non-metallic raceways offer several advantages, including corrosion resistance, ease of installation, and flexibility. They are commonly used in both residential and commercial electrical systems to protect low-voltage wiring from physical damage and environmental factors. Fittings are components used to connect raceways and other electrical equipment. They provide a secure and reliable connection, ensuring that the electrical system functions properly. Fittings are available in a wide range of types and materials, depending on the application. When selecting fittings, it is important to choose those that are listed and compatible with the raceways and equipment being used. Branch circuits are circuits that extend from the main electrical panel to individual outlets, lighting fixtures, and other electrical devices. They are typically protected by circuit breakers or fuses, which interrupt the flow of electricity in the event of an overload or short circuit. Branch circuits are an essential part of any electrical system, providing power to the various loads throughout the building. The NEC provides specific requirements for branch circuits, including conductor size, overcurrent protection, and grounding. In summary, the use of plastic J-boxes for low-voltage wiring in a commercial motel is permitted by the 2020 National Electrical Code, provided that certain conditions are met. Firstly, the plastic J-boxes must be listed by a recognized testing laboratory, indicating that they have been tested and certified to meet specific safety standards. Secondly, the J-boxes must be used only with the type and number of conductors for which they are listed, ensuring that they have adequate capacity to accommodate the wiring without overcrowding or overheating. Thirdly, the J-boxes must have covers installed to provide protection against accidental contact with energized conductors and to protect the wiring from dust, moisture, and other environmental factors. Finally, if the low-voltage wiring is installed in ducts, plenums, or other spaces used for environmental air, the non-metallic raceways and fittings must be listed for that purpose. By adhering to these requirements, electricians can safely and effectively use plastic J-boxes for low-voltage wiring in commercial motels, ensuring compliance with the National Electrical Code and protecting occupants from electrical hazards.